Hi, my name is Tulin. Today I'll study birds. This bird is flying. What bird is this? This is an eagle. E-A-Z-L-E. Eagle. This bird is swimming. What bird is this? This is a penguin. This bird is drinking. What bird is this? This is a duck. This bird is eating. What is bird eating? The bird is eating a fish. This bird is walking. The bird walks fast and slow. I think the bird can walk fast, but I don't know. This bird is running. Can this bird run fast? Yes. Can this bird is? This bird is sleeping. What bird is this? This is an owl. O-W-L. This bird is talking. This is the parrot. I like parrots. Good.